He said, what about a person who has got the love of Islam and he fights the Jamaat Ahmadiyyat out of ignorance?
These matters are to be decided by God alone. So if somebody is fighting the Jamaat in ignorance and is not breaking any law of the Quran or Sunnah, then perhaps it would be forgiven. But when they fight Ahmadiyyat, they break all laws. They tell lies, wrong allegations, etc., and take the law into their own hands. So it doesn't apply to the situation in Pakistan, for instance. Everywhere else also the same thing is happening. So innocently to be misled with a Maulvi is okay. But to act against Islam at the same time, that is wrong. Right?